Hi guys, I just got back from my walk with Lucy. Crazy Lucy right here. Lucy, Lucy, Lucy. Hello, say hello. I thought I would try something new today. You have to read Little Red Riding Hood as part of your lesson today on Raz Kids, and you're still welcome to read it on Raz Kids, but I thought I could read it here for you too. So I did a screen share so you can read along as I read. Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood. And the focus question for this story is, how do Red's choices affect the story? Here are some words to know. We have awoke, clump, roared, strangers, swallowed, and tickled. There once lived a girl named Little Red Riding Hood. Everyone called her Red. One day, Red's mom asked her to take some cake to Grandma. Go quickly through the woods and do not talk to strangers, Mom said. In the woods, though, Red met Wolf. Where are you going, child? Wolf asked. I'm taking cake to Grandma's house, she said. Wolf looked at Red and licked his lips. He decided he would eat Grandma for lunch and Red for dessert. Where does Grandma live? Wolf asked. Farther on in the woods, under the 3 large oak trees, Red said. Wouldn't your grandma like some pretty flowers? Wolf suggested. Red bent down to pick up some flowers. While she picked, Wolf ran straight to Grandma's house. He went to Grandma's bed and swallowed her whole. He dressed himself in her clothes and pulled on her cap. Then he laid himself in her bed. When Red arrived, she went to the bed. Grandma, what big ears you have, Red said. All the better to hear you with, child, Wolf said. Grandma, what big eyes you have, Red said. All the better to see you with, child, Wolf said. Oh, Grandma, what a big mouth you have, Red said. All the better to eat you with, Wolf roared. Then he swallowed up Red, flowers, cake, and all. Wolf lay down again in the bed and fell asleep. Inside Wolf's stomach was dark and crowded. Inch by inch, Red lifted her clump of flowers. She tickled Wolf's throat until he coughed her up. Red grabbed onto Grandma's hand and pulled her out too. Wolf was still asleep. They tied him to Grandma's bed. Then Grandma and Red sat down for tea and cake. When Wolf awoke, you can be sure he didn't get any. I hope you have a great day. Bye.